The DS N-8 is the new all-electric flagship from DS Automobiles, a French luxury brand belonging to the Stellantis group. It is a fastback crossover that blends elements of a sedan and SUV, standing out for its aerodynamic design, refined interior, and exclusive electric powertrain. This model marks a new phase for DS, utilizing the STLA Medium platform developed by Stellantis and introducing a new naming convention within the brand's lineup. With this, the DS N-8 reinforces the manufacturer's commitment to electrification and the premium segment. The design of the DS N-8 strongly reflects the DS Aero Sport Lounge concept, unveiled in 2020. The emphasis on aerodynamics is evident, boasting an impressive drag coefficient of just 0.24 CD. Features like the smooth roofline and inclined C-pillars contribute to this efficiency, as well as lending the vehicle a modern and sophisticated aesthetic. The model's dimensions are also noteworthy. It measures 4.82 meters in length, 1.90 meters in width, and 1.58 meters in height, with a wheelbase of 2.90 meters, providing generous space for both passengers and luggage. Inside, the DS N-8 offers a luxurious and technologically advanced experience. The digital instrument panel is 10.25 inches, while the central infotainment screen reaches an impressive 16 inches. Furthermore, the head-up display with augmented reality projects information directly into the driver's field of vision. Premium materials such as Alcantara and recycled Napa leather adorn the cabin, while details like laser-cut aluminum speaker grills add a touch of refinement. The acoustic insulation has been carefully designed to ensure a tranquil environment inside the vehicle. In terms of performance, the DS N-8 offers various fully electric powertrain options. Front-wheel drive, FWD, versions feature a single motor producing up to 242 horsepower, while the more powerful all-wheel drive, AWD, variant uses two electric motors delivering up to 370 horsepower with the boost function activated. This configuration enables acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.4 seconds. The top speed is limited to 190 kilometers per hour. The model is available with 74 kilowatt-hours and 97.2 kilowatt-hour batteries, offering a range of up to 750 kilometers in the WLTP cycle, depending on the chosen configuration. The technology integrated into the DS N-8 extends beyond the interior and powertrain. The adaptive suspension system uses a camera to scan the road and adjust suspension responses in real time, providing greater comfort and safety. DS Drive Assist 2.0 adds semi-autonomous driving features, making journeys more practical and secure. DC fast charging up to 200 kilowatts is another highlight, allowing the battery to recover from 20% to 80% of its capacity in just 27 minutes, ideal for those seeking everyday convenience. Expected to arrive in the European market in mid-2025, the DS N-8 positions itself as a strong contender in the luxury electric crossover segment, rivaling models from Audi, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. However, it is important to note that the model is unlikely to be launched in the United States. With its innovative design, premium interior, and advanced technology, the DS N-8 represents the futuristic vision of DS Automobiles, solidifying its presence in the global electric vehicle market. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the future of electric cars, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. Until next time.